crispy on the outside, soft and sweet on the inside. This is how I make the perfect fried plantain. Let's get into it. Start by washing your plantains and trimming off the ends. Make a shallow cut along the skin, then peel the plantains completely. Next, cut your plantains into your preferred size and shape. You can slice them diagonally into rounds or into chunks, whatever you prefer. Now, place a pan over medium heat and add your vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up properly before adding the plantains. Once the oil is hot, carefully add your plantain pieces and let them fry until they're beautifully golden brown on one side. Then, flip them over and fry the other side until evenly golden and crispy. Depending on the size of your plantain pieces and the heat of your oil, this should take about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Just keep an eye on them to make sure they don't burn. Once they're perfectly golden brown, remove the plantains from the oil and place them on a paper. Towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. And there you have it, beautiful, golden, crispy fried plantain. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cook next. See you in the next video.